which was much sung about as early as ancient times, has the well-deserved title of Lithuanian gold. In Lithuanian mythology, amber is considered to be the residual of the castle ruin of Jūratė, the sea goddess. According to the legend, up to this present day, the waves of the sea, together with the residuals of the castle, bring some clear and pure pieces of amber, tears of Jūratė. Amber jewelry and pieces have long been appreciated across the world, but to warm this mineral and make it speak, one needs special knowledge and to be patient and thorough.
Gintarą, kai paimi gabalą, jis pats diktuoja, ką reikia daryti su juo. Jį pradedi vartyti, žiūrėti iš visų pusių ir supranti, ką galim su juo padaryti, kokią mintį. Ar ten su jūra, ar papuošalą, ar kokį nors suvenyrą.
Amber Queen has been processing and selling amber for 2 years. This company has a good factory for amber processing and a wide range of amber produce and jewelry at its shops in Klaipėda, Vilnius, and Riga. It has already been well received by Lithuanians and tourists. Amber Queen shops have luxurious amber jewelry and pieces and exclusive business gifts. These have already been appreciated by the Office of the President of Lithuania and foreign embassies. Amber Queen is the only company in the Baltic states to have accrued an extensive exposition of unique museum valuables made of amber. These impressive masterpieces arrived to Klaipėda from famous world auctions and collectors. Some of the antique valuables are 300 years old. From 2014, Amber Queen is offering Lithuanians and visitors a new opportunity in the Baltic states to visit the Amber Processing Factory and Gallery Museum. During this, visitors can find out the secrets of amber processing and see how it is turned into luxurious jewelry of royal beauty by talented craftsmen. Amber Queen invites you to start in Klaipėda at the Amber Processing Factory on the Šilutės High Road. In the newly opened 1,000 square meter workshop, there are over 180 employees, among them around 60 folk craftsmen. Thanks to the experienced amber processing craftsmen and professional designers, everyday stylish amber jewelry reflecting the newest trends of fashion are produced. In the renovated factory, which has been projected and equipped with visitors' convenience and safety in mind, for processing amber, modern green technologies are used. During this unique 1-hour educational excursion, our guides will tell you about the techniques of amber processing, and visitors can watch a rough piece of amber become an elegant piece of amber jewelry in the hands of professional craftsmen. From the factory, Amber Queen invites visitors to continue to the heart of Klaipėda's Old Town, to the gallery on Turgaus Street, which exhibits the best pieces of jewelry from the company, the best collections of antique amber works and masterpieces of modern craftsmen. The Amber Queen Gallery features a luxurious and stylish interior and an extensive selection of superb amber jewelry at producers' prices. The visitors will see collections of the most appreciated white royal amber works, unitary figures shaved from a single piece of amber, jewelry of both classic and modern forms, with precious metal and original souvenirs. Amber Queen Gallery will take participants by surprise by exhibiting unique antique pieces of work, which have historic value and cannot be found even in the most famous museums of the world. The valuables exhibited here will impress those with an interest in the history of amber and experts of modern art. The stands of the gallery, comprised of 320 square meters, exhibit the biggest collection in the Baltic states of especially rare antique pipes, including 500 pieces of works of amber and meerschaum. The museum of the gallery exhibits antique amber souvenirs, including the famous Bernstein Manufaktur Königsberg. Here, one can find Lithuanian gold, huge lumps of amber from the Baltic Sea, a collection of massive lumps of amber found in quarries. The weight of some is over 4 kilos. A real decoration of the gallery are the fragments of the lost and then recovered amber room, which is called the 8th miracle of the world. All fragments were made by craftsmen of Tsarsko-Selskaya Masterskaya, who recreated the amber room at the Catherine Palace. Next to the antique pieces of amber, the masterpieces of contemporary craftsmen are exhibited. Unique amber sculptures, which have seen numerous countries, have brought to Lithuania the greatest and most important accolades from international exhibitions. During the excursion, Amber Queen will reveal the secrets of amber. Visitors can also talk to this wonderful mineral themselves. With the assistance of the craftsmen in the workshops, you can produce a piece of jewelry made of amber. And by sitting at the old amber processing tool, which was used by our ancestors, you can sense Lithuanian history. At Amber Queen, you can purchase numerous amber works at very attractive producer prices. One can book this one-of-a-kind educational excursion in Lithuania in various languages. The Amber Queen Gallery shop is in Klaipėda Old Town, Turgaus Street, 3.